So students, today let's learn an interesting topic about noun, that is noun clause. A noun clause is a type of subordinate clause that can also be called as dependent clause that acts as a noun in a sentence. So, noun clause is a group of words that work together to replace a single noun. Noun clause basically starts with the question words also, like what, which, were, where, whose, whom, whatever, when, and how, etc. Let's see some examples related to this. Number 1. She asked whether we will come. So here, whether we will come is a noun clause, as it's a group of words that is acting as a noun. So it will be called as noun clause. Let's see the second example. He yelled that he was innocent. So here the group of words that is basically we'll called as noun is that he was innocent. So here that he was innocent is a noun clause. There are certain types of noun clause as well that we'll discuss in the next video.